thunderstorm warning for Lake Mead National Park in Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, Clark County east of Henderson in southern Nevada until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 3:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:47 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 2:47 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boulder Beach or near Las Vegas Bay, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 to 60 miles per hour wind gusts and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Boulder City, Las Vegas Bay, Lake Las Vegas, Boulder Beach, Coville Bay Campground, Railroad Pass, Boulder Beach Campground, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Coville Bay and Hoover Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Mead, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. From the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
Required signing if applicable. Some customers may not qualify. Not available with lease and some other offers. Take new retail delivery by 8/1/22.
This station is conducting a weekly test of the Southern Nevada, Inyo County, California Operational Area Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.